Number 1. Wild-caught salmon. Your brain is 60% fat, and after 30, it starts shrinking at a rate of about 0.5% per year if you don't actively protect it. Wild-caught salmon is one of the densest sources of omega-3 fatty acids on the planet, specifically DHA and EPA, which rebuild cell membranes, reduce neuroinflammation, and have been shown to lower cortisol levels. It also delivers astaxanthin, a carotenoid antioxidant so powerful it makes vitamin C look mild by comparison. 2 servings a week is enough to measurably shift your inflammatory markers. Number 2. Blueberries. Gram for gram, blueberries contain more antioxidants than almost any other food on Earth. The specific compounds, anthocyanins, cross the blood-brain barrier directly and have been shown in clinical trials to improve memory, processing speed, and focus in adults over 30. They also activate a protein called BDNF, brain-derived neurotrophic factor, which your body uses to grow new neural connections. Think of it as fertilizer for your brain. A cup a day. That's all it takes. Number 3. Bone broth. After 30, collagen production drops by about 1% every single year. That's your joints, your skin, your gut lining, all slowly degrading. Bone broth is one of the most bioavailable sources of collagen and gelatin you can consume, along with glycine, an amino acid that supports deep sleep, liver detoxification, and gut repair. A damaged gut lining after 30 is directly linked to autoimmune flare-ups, chronic fatigue, and brain fog. Bone broth starts patching it from the inside. Number 4. Turmeric with black pepper. Curcumin, the active compound in turmeric, is one of the most studied anti-inflammatory molecules in nutritional science, with over 3,000 published studies behind it. The catch is bioavailability. On its own, your body absorbs almost none of it. Add black pepper, specifically piperine, and absorption increases by up to 2,000%. After 30, chronic low-grade inflammation is the silent driver behind joint pain, fatigue, and metabolic dysfunction. Curcumin directly suppresses the inflammatory pathways responsible. Golden milk, curries, or a simple supplement, just always pair your turmeric with pepper. Number 5. Leafy greens. Magnesium deficiency affects an estimated 50% of adults, and it's one of the most consequential deficiencies after 30. Magnesium is involved in over 300 enzymatic reactions: energy production, muscle recovery, sleep regulation, blood pressure control. Spinach and kale are among the richest dietary sources. They also deliver folate, which protects DNA integrity as cell replication slows with age, and vitamin K2 precursors that direct calcium into your bones instead of your arteries. Dark leafy greens aren't a side dish after 30. They're medicine. Number 6. Fermented foods. Your gut houses 70% of your immune system and produces roughly 90% of your body's serotonin. After 30, gut diversity declines without intervention. Fermented foods like kimchi, kefir, and sauerkraut deliver live probiotic strains that repopulate the microbiome, reduce intestinal permeability, and directly influence mood through the gut-brain axis. A 2021 Stanford study found that a high fermented food diet increased microbiome diversity and reduced 19 inflammatory proteins in just 10 weeks. Pick one fermented food, eat it daily. Your immune system, your mood, and your digestion will all shift. Number 7. Eggs. The yolk is where the nutrition lives. Whole eggs are one of the few complete dietary sources of choline, a nutrient critical for liver function, nerve signaling, and memory consolidation. After 30, declining estrogen and testosterone both affect cognitive sharpness, and choline directly supports the production of acetylcholine, the neurotransmitter most associated with learning and recall. Eggs also contain lutein and zeaxanthin, which protect against macular degeneration, the leading cause of vision loss in adults over 40. The cholesterol fear was overblown. The science has moved on. Number 8. Avocado. Avocado is one of the most nutrient-dense foods that exists, and its combination of monounsaturated fat, potassium, and fiber makes it uniquely powerful after 30. It contains more potassium than a banana, which directly regulates blood pressure and muscle function. The healthy fats increase the absorption of fat-soluble vitamins A, D, E, and K from everything else you eat alongside it. Avocado also supports the production of glutathione, your body's master antioxidant, which declines with age and is central to cellular detoxification. Half an avocado a day is enough to feel the difference. Number 9. Green tea. Green tea contains a compound called EGCG, epigallocatechin gallate, one of the most potent antioxidants identified in food science. After 30, Oxidative stress accumulates faster than your body clears it, accelerating cellular aging. EGCG neutralizes free radicals, activates autophagy, the process your cells use to clean out damaged components, and has been shown to improve insulin sensitivity and lower LDL cholesterol. Green tea also delivers L-theanine, which produces calm, focused energy without the cortisol spike of coffee. 2 to 3 cups a day. No capsules needed. Number 10. Walnuts. Walnuts are shaped like a brain for a reason, and the nutrition matches the symbolism. They are the highest plant-based source of ALA omega-3 fatty acids and contain L-glutathione, which gut bacteria convert into urolithins, compounds shown to improve mitochondrial function and muscle recovery. After 30, mitochondrial efficiency declines, which is why you feel tired faster and recover slower. Walnuts also deliver melatonin precursors, polyphenols that reduce arterial inflammation, and vitamin E in its most bioavailable form. A small handful, about 7 whole walnuts, is the clinically studied dose. If you want to keep learning what your body actually needs, hit subscribe. We break this stuff down every video, plain and simple.